Okay, it is Tuesday, May 15th, and we're going to try apples for the very first time. Yay! Are you excited? I know, I'm excited too. This is your granddad's favorite. He puts this on everything. Oh, more. You like apples? Apples. Good? Did you say good? I'm pretty sure you said good. Is that good? Hear the airplane. Yum? Yum, yum? Okay, well, what do you think? Is that yummy? Oh, you faked me out. Bite? Bite? A little bite. That's a pretend bite. Bite. Where are you going? Those are empty. You already ate all those. Over here. Over here. Hey, Olivia. You. Hey, you. Hi. Want some apples? Mmm. Yummy? You're goofy. Mmm. Yum, yum. More? Want some more, Bubba? Livy beans. Apple, come here. Olivia. Mmm. Oh. Not sure. It's very sweet. We've never had sweet before. Except for those bites I'm not supposed to know about. The vanilla milkshake and the cake. Yeah. Yeah, I know. You're busted. You're busted. Mmm. And some more? Oh, yeah. Is that good? Yay, apples. Yeah? Huh? Maybe? Think about it? No? All right. Well, you had a lot. We'll try it again. You just want to play in it, right? All right. Time for a beverage. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Bye. That's good.